IIT Kanpur, an IIT established in coordination with various well-known international universities, the first institute in India to offer computer science education, one of the first IITs in India. Hearing all this, isn't it worthy to know more about IIT Kanpur? So this video is going to be all about that. In this video, we are going to have the detailed college review of IIT Kanpur. So make sure that you are watching the video till the end, and meanwhile don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. IIT Kanpur was established in 1959. It was amongst one of the first IITs established in India. Looking towards some of the national rankings of IIT Kanpur, in the NIRF 2020 ranking, IIT Kanpur has scored All India Rank 6 from overall category and All India Rank 4 from engineering category. If we look towards some of the international rankings of IIT Kanpur, then in the QS World University Ranking 2021, IIT Kanpur had scored the global rank of 350. Means comparing to all the universities throughout the world, IIT Kanpur stood at the 350th position amongst all of them. Now, one thing that I want to clear for all of you is that till the date I am shooting the video, the NIRF 2021 ranking has not been released. So for the national rankings, we are still having the rankings from NIRF 2020 and the international QS ranking is from 2021. But most of the numeric data taken in this video is from the NIRF 2021 since the data submission process has been completed and the PDF of the same is given in the description box. So for any further queries or information, you can download and go through that PDF. Now, looking toward the campus details of IIT Kanpur, IIT Kanpur has a huge campus spread across the area more than 1000 acres. It has a lush green, self-sustained campus equipped with sport complexes, academic buildings, halls. It also has a swimming pool, various recreational facilities, residential facilities, and many other facilities like shopping, eating, and all these things are available inside the campus for students. Looking toward the accommodation facilities, campus has 11 boys hostels and 2 girls hostels. When we are talking about the hostels, the next immediate thing comes to our mind is the mess facilities available there. As much I could found about the mess reviews here, the reviews were found to be quite good. The food served here is good by the quality and even the taste of the food is also quite good. Menu keeps changing periodically and the cleanliness and hygiene is well maintained. So overall, there are no big queries regarding the mess. At most, what I can say is it's at least eatable. Now, looking toward the library facilities at IIT Kanpur, along with its state-of-the-art library infrastructure, IIT Kanpur holds the collection of more than 2.7 lakh books, 16,000 plus ebooks, 2.3 lakh plus volumes, 1600 plus journals and 16,000 plus e-journals. Along with that, 5,000 plus CDs and DVDs are also available here as audio-visual content. So, in terms of library facilities, IIT Kanpur has plenty of resources for you to have your hands on. Moving on to the laboratory facilities at IIT Kanpur, IIT Kanpur has the well-equipped lab for various departments. Some of the highlights out of them are the physics, chemistry and maths lab here. Some of the labs here are equipped with very high computing power. Startup Innovation and Incubation Center is also established at IIT Kanpur. It mainly focuses upon the industry-oriented innovation for the startups. Now, looking towards some of the research stats by IIT Kanpur, in the year 2019, IIT Kanpur has published 70 patents and 40 were granted. In the year 2018, IIT Kanpur has published 45 patents and 26 were granted. In the year 2017, IIT Kanpur had published 36 patents and 22 were granted. After looking toward these stats, it can be easily said that IIT Kanpur has a sound research background. Looking toward the institute's annual student intake capacity, IIT Kanpur has the annual sanctioned student intake capacity of 907 students for the undergraduate's 4 years program. In the academic year 2019-20, IIT Kanpur had the overall student strength of 5,266. It includes all the students from undergraduates and postgraduates too, out of which 883 undergraduate students were from within the state and 2 students were from out of the country. Rest of the students were from various parts of the India. In order to know more about the faculty resources of IIT Kanpur, IIT Kanpur has the overall faculty strength of 481 faculty members. Most of the faculties here are PhD holder. The faculties here are found to be great at various aspects. Some of the really great minds are here as the senior faculty members. The institute has the number of students to faculty ratio of 11:1, which is a really good comparing to most of its peers. Graduation and placement outcomes are one of the most crucial factors that we look toward while we choose a perfect college for us. Going deep into the same about IIT Kanpur, in the academic year 2019-20, 789 students were graduated within the minimum stipulated time from IIT Kanpur, out of which 463 students were placed and 325 students were selected for higher studies. The median salary package secured by the students was 17 lakh per annum. Looking toward the major recruiters from IIT Kanpur, almost all the tech giants throughout the India recruit from IIT Kanpur. Now, let's have a brief idea about the fee structure of IIT Kanpur. As per the latest information I could find on the institution's official website, an open category undergraduate student has to pay something around 1 lakh rupees as the tuition fee, and rest of the expenses lies something around 14,000. Now, looking toward the cutoff details of IIT Kanpur, most of the viewers already must be knowing that the admissions in the IIT Kanpur are taken on the basis of the JEE Advanced examination. For all the cutoff details, I have given a PDF in the description box which contains the cutoff details from the JOSA 2020 round 6. So please go and download that PDF. You will get all the details about the cutoff for all the category and all the branches. That PDF will give you a best idea about what branch you can get for what rank. Now, looking towards some of the notable alumni from IIT Kanpur, since the institution is quite old, the list of notable alumni goes too long. But for this video, I have picked some very few and very well-known alumni from IIT Kanpur. And some of them are Narayan Murthy, the founder and chairman of Infosys; Muktesh Pant, CEO of KFC; Rakesh Gangwal, co-founder of Indigo Airlines; Mukesh Bansal, founder of Myntra and CEO and co-founder of CureFit; Arvind Krishna, CEO of IBM and director of IBM Research. So these were some of the notable alumni from IIT Kanpur, but as I have already told you that the list is quite long, so for that you can go and check the list on the Wikipedia. The college reviews of IITs can never be completed without adding an extra notch of annual fests here. So, Antaragni is the annual cultural fest of IIT Kanpur. It is one of the biggest college cultural fests throughout the Asia. The festival includes music, drama, literary games, fashion show and quizzing, along with lot more fun activities. Tech Kriti is an annual business and entrepreneurship festival of IIT Kanpur. It hosts various activities, events, seminars, and guest lectures regarding entrepreneurship. Udghosh is the IIT Kanpur's annual sport festival usually held in September. Udghosh involves students from all over India competing in IIT Kanpur's sports facilities. E-Summit is the annual 3-day festival organized by Entrepreneurship Cell of IIT Kanpur. It includes talks by eminent personalities, workshops, and various competitions. So, this is all about the college review of IIT Kanpur from my side. Whatever you feel, whatever the queries you have, feel free to tell them in the comment section below. Finally, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. And before you leave, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.